Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. Hello everyone, welcome back to your on tech channel OS Tech OS, and we are back with new content you are going to love. You are going to appreciate your work for mobile love. I have something new for you. This is Vivo X50 5G. This phone is going to compete with Huawei P40 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S20 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro. You are going to get the best of Vivo in camera industries. With this phone, you are going to love everything from this camera. This phone is going to launch in India maybe in next month, maybe in July or August. This phone is going to have a something great in-depth feature which is called a depth sensor, which is defined for taking pictures from a object based area where you can get your object focused with your content. So you mean by, if you are clicking a picture of something, something will be a object and there will be a foreground and background which will be blur as per your want. So you can get the best of Vivo and competing Vivo from Huawei and Samsung with camera segment. This phone is going to have the best camera available in market from Vivo. If you want to see something new from us every day, you're going to like our video and subscribe our channel and tell us that how can we improve our channel with your needs. Newest feature of the OnePlus 8 Pro was disabled by the company in the newest update was a X-ray scanner, and this was the very good feature from the company for a phone, but for the security reason it was enabled and disabled by company by newest update. So you are going to get the best feature from Vivo X50 Pro 5G. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks.